Since many people sent me the question about this particular problem from chapter 4.3, I figured that was the trouble question, so I wanted to make a video on how to solve this problem, just in case if more people have the same question. Let's read this famous trouble problem. Subject for the next presidential election poll are conducted using telephone numbers in which the last 4 digits are randomly selected with replacement. Find the probability that for one such phone call, the last 4 digits include at least 1 0. So we have 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Last 4 digits are randomly selected. So here's our digits. How many digits we have in total? There are 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digits. So we're looking for probability of the last 4 digits include at least 1 0. That means the first out of the 4 include at least 1 0, and the second and the third and the fourth. So what is the complement of getting at least 1 0? Getting none of the zeros. The probability of getting none of the zeros is, in the first place, it's 9 other digits other than 0. 9 out of the 10 possible. And the second place, also 9 out of 10. And on the third place is 9 out of the 10, which are non-zeros, times the fourth place, 9 out of the 10. So basically we raised 0.9 to the 4th power, which is equal to 0.6561. So that's the probability that all 4 of the last 4 digits will not be zeros. Now the probability that it's at least 1 0 is 1 minus the probability that none of them are zeros, minus 0.6561 is equal to 0.3439.